Good morning, Year 10. You're going to do an investigation today on which beauty salon should you buy. You've been given an opportunity to purchase one. You need to use the information provided and your knowledge of statistics to decide which salon you would purchase. You have to justify your answer with statistics. You're going to present your answer to the class using a PowerPoint. Both people will need to be prepared to answer the questions about the data. Here is the information. The table below is providing you with the number of clients going to each salon for 15 weeks. So in week 1, Salon A had 50 clients. Salon B had 26. Week 2, Salon A, 52 clients, Salon B, 24, etc. for 15 weeks. These are the things you need to help to do to make your decision. Firstly, you need to complete a dot plot for Salon A and Salon B and comment on whether you notice the data is distributed symmetrically, positively skewed, is it negatively skewed, or is it bimodal? We're going to use exercise 206, page 204, to help us. The second task you need to do is complete a back-to-back stem and leaf plot. Again, comment on the distribution of the data. Have a look at this video on back-to-back stem and leaf plots.
In this video, we're going to do a back-to-back stem and leaf plot. What this allows you to do is compare two different sets of data together at the same time. So a back-to-back.
And there's also some notes that you will need to take from your textbook and write in your reference book. So exercise 207 gives a very clear example of how to do a back-to-back stem and leaf plot and ask some questions. So this will need to be into your reference book, and that is homework. For the data, find the mean, mode, median, and also the range for both salons. Make it very clear. You will use your previous notes provided. Some of you might like to start trying to use an Excel spreadsheet to see if you can find the mean for that. Maybe using the mode, you can organise data. The last thing is you have to write a comment on what measures you might think might not help your decision. I have some PowerPoint for you for sentence starters, and both students, as I said, need to be ready to present. You'll be linked to a PowerPoint introduction, your slide. Dot plots, Salon A. Sentence starter. The data clearly shows that this data is positively, negatively skewed because the tail is, maybe you need to change that. Maybe it's symmetrical. Same for dot plot B. The back-to-back stem and leaf plot. You might like to draw it in your book, take a photo and upload it to it here. I've set out a table for you to compare the data. So the mean for Salon A, etc. Your conclusion, and I have just started. I would purchase, which one? Salon A or Salon B, because, and this is where we need to use our statistics to support our answer or justify. The mean is for Salon A in comparison with whatever Salon B. This means that it has more customers. And let's put that in. So we need to delve in and try and explain what our mean is. Furthermore, the median is ... The back-to-back stem and leaf plot shows a... What does it mean? Just some sentence starters. Good luck. There could be some little road bumps along the way, and have fun. And needs to be completed within a time frame. Thanks.